Welcome back to the VT Calais 5 litre. If you guys remember this car, we have gone through, done a ton of stuff in the engine bay. We've gone through and replaced the whole interior, and now in this video it's time to work on the outside. So the first thing that we're going to do is something that I'm really excited about, and that is change the wheels. The wheels are on it, are stockies that I've had for years and years, and I have gone and bought these VT Internationals, and I am so excited to put these on. They really suit these cars, and these ones are in exceptional condition. So let's put them on. Keen for this. If you always want to put your worst wheel on the front left, this is the worst one of the four, and that's because it's the most likely that you're going to curve it. I'm so happy with how those wheels have turned out. They have totally transformed the look of the car, and I really think that they've brought it up quite a bit. Hopefully later in the video we can take it outside and I can show you properly what it looks like. But the next thing that we're going to do, I was going to do the wipers, but unfortunately I don't have any paint in the shed, so I have to go buy some. I've only got some cheap fiddly bits, but I do want to replace the fuel filler cap, and the old one is there, but I don't know what's wrong with it. It's slightly on the piss a little bit. It doesn't close perfectly. So I do have this one off the Calais that I wrecked, so we're going to swap them over and hopefully it fits a lot better. Now these are nice and easy. There's just two screws. There's a lot less tension in this than there is in this one. I don't know why that is, but look, we'll try it. If it doesn't work, we'll put the old one back on. It's just a small thing, you know. Make sure I've got my little gasket on. I think every Commodore owner's done this job before. Okay, moment of truth. Oh, that is unreal. That has pretty much fixed the problem completely. I'm really happy with that. It's just these small 1%ers, you know, if you go around the whole car just doing things like this, it's really going to tidy the whole thing up. So that's really made my day. Now the old one, I'm definitely going to keep this because this one's actually quite good. So I will keep that just in case I need one in the future. But yeah, really happy with that. Well, the next thing that we're going to do to tidy this car up is change the wiper arms. Now, for some reason, the ones that are on it have faded and they started to sort of go white. Last year I wrecked a VT Calais and I kept the wiper arms from that car, so we're going to paint those and then swap them over. It's not a major thing, but remember when you're doing these cars, it's all these little 1%ers. So this is the paint that I'm using. I just got it from Mitre 10, I think. Satin Black. Satin Black is my favorite color for doing this kind of thing because it's just the perfect combination between flat and not flat. So okay, it is the next day. They are looking honestly a million times better. So let's put these on. How much better does that look, honestly? I know it's only a small thing, and look, it's not perfect. It doesn't look 100%, but it just looks just way better than it did before. I'm really happy with that. Okay, it's been a couple of weeks, and that's because I've been waiting for this. Now I am very excited to share this with you guys. Perfect example of those final 1%ers. And you might be thinking, Deacon, what is it? It is this. Now this might seem quite boring, but it is the sticker that goes on the radiator shroud, and it is different for every car, and this one is specific to the Holden 5 litre. So let's put this thing on. This is really cool. Oh yeah. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm sorry that it's been a long time coming. There has been quite a few weeks between these videos. I was just waiting for this sticker. There are still a few things that I want to do with this car, but I'm really happy with the way that it looks, and I would love to drive it because I've spent like 10 grand on this car in the last 6 months and it hasn't even moved out of the shed. So I would actually love to drive it. It is still running a little bit rough, so I'm probably going to take it to a shop to get that looked at, and then I'm going to do the whole underneath of the car as well. So I've got heaps of parts ready to go for that. I really like this VT, and there is a lot of videos to come on this car. If these are your kind of videos, as well as me doing car overviews and driving lots and lots of old Aussie muscle, please follow along, subscribe, and thank you for watching.